Hi, I'm Sarah and welcome to Girl Talk World. Today we are looking at some highlights from the Girl Talk World YouTube channel. So sit back, relax and get ready as we run down our top 5 moments. Number 5, blue tack slime. Now, if you missed the slime craze, then where have you been? But have no fear, slime is alive and well, and we created a special recipe for those of you that don't want to buy gallons of glue and activator. Amazingly, this recipe only contains 2 ingredients, blue tack and hand soap, and it's so satisfying. Check out our first entry into the Girl Talk World Top 5. Number 4, when Kia and Annabelle gave us a tour of the dumping ground garden. Now we absolutely love the dumping ground, and let's face it, who doesn't? So whenever we get an opportunity to visit the set, we jump at the chance. When we last visited them, Annabelle and Kia decided to show us where they kept a chicken in one episode, and then they recreated an emotional scene while sat next to the sweet corn. This is one of our favourite videos because it brings back memories of an amazing day, and you guys obviously loved it too because it's one of our most viewed videos.
Me and Miles had a chicken in here once.
That was cool.
A real chicken?
Yeah, a real chicken.
Real chicken.
There was a storyline where we kept a chicken in the shed.
Man.
Just me, Miles and a chicken, it was weird.
And here we have the vegetable pack.
They actually do grow vegetables here. Sweet corn.
Sweet corn. Here.
We've got some onion.
It's
onion.
I do a lot of things back here.
This is true. We do a lot of scenes like this.
A lot.
We do a lot of scenes, emotional scenes like this.
Yeah. Kind of limp
Sasha, are you having a bad day? Yeah.
That's kind of how it goes.
Number 3, we met the Lionesses. The Women's World Cup was huge this year, and there was absolutely no way Girl Talk was going to miss out on the action. We interviewed Maddie from CBBC's Jamie Johnson and got her to teach us an incredible football skill. And then, of course, we interviewed the England team. Here are some of our highlights from the press day.
Super excited to be going and be part of the squad and yeah, hopefully come back with that trophy. That would be really great.
Girls are amazing because despite everything thrown their way, stereotypes, prejudice, all those sorts of things, we come out on top every single time, and with the strength that we show is unrivaled.
Number 2, cake in the face with Danny and Mick. Now you may think that decorating a cake is enjoyable, but throw in dizzy goggles, a 2-minute time limit, and the most chaotic CBBC duo, and it's a recipe for disaster. In this clip, I got a taste of the cake, and if you were wondering whether I was expecting it, no, I was not. There's 30 seconds
30 seconds remaining!
Quick, yeah, get it up. Hey, good, yeah. Nice and tidy. Yeah, remember presentation counts.
Mick,
15 seconds.
Mick, try some of mine. Yep. Try some. Mick. Oh, nice, Mick.
I love this.
That's nice.
4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Number 1, when Max banged his head on the table. Whenever we film with Max and Harvey, we know that we'll be in for a lot of laughs, whether they're simply messing around or obsessing about bacon bits. We can also expect that things won't quite go to plan. So when we got the twins in to play What's in the Underwater Box, we knew that things would probably get out of hand, but we didn't expect it to happen this early on. As a funny intro, we thought it would be great to have Max and Harvey pop up from under the table, but unfortunately, Max slightly misjudged where the table was in relation to his head. Rest assured he was totally fine, and of course, they got up to more antics later on in the video. Now here it is, our number 1 YouTube moment. I'm not playing it, that would be weird. We've got 2 other people to play it, and here they are now!
Oh no!
I'm here. All right.
And here they are now!
Oh no!
I'm here. All right, Sarah.
So I hope you liked our top 5. Vote for your favourite in the comments below, or if you like a different one, tell us about that as well. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to the Girl Talk World channel, and we'll see you soon. Bye.